today's task, that tub is going to find its way onto the chassis. So we have the body sat down on the chassis, squared up. And as you can tell, this rear frame section sits much higher. So we have to notch this out on each side. So I'm going to do my measurements and start notching that so the tub can sit down flush on the chassis. So now I'm going to center punch these 2 points on each side, and then I'll drill a hole there, and then I'll remark it, and that'll give me a nice round radius. So now we're going to raise this tub in the air, we're going to stabilize it, and then I'm going to cut those little panels out. All right, so that is just the rough cut. I'll come back in, I'm gonna box it in and make it look all nice, clean it all up. This is just to basically get the tub on the chassis so that way I can start working on the final placement. After I figure that out, we'll finalize all these cuts, clean them up, and then I'll make a plate and weld that in, fluff and buff, and it'll look factory. Fits like a glove. Today's task is complete. The tub is on the chassis. We just got to clean up now. Very happy with how this came out. Now we can get our final measurements. We're going to make some aluminum pucks to replace those factory rubber bushings. We want this tub hard mounted to the chassis so that way the roll cage and the body and the frame are all one. I'll flip you around, kind of show you how everything turned out.